Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Logic Pro X and your microphone so recording is reliable. First, create a new audio track and pick 24-bit. Make sure your project's sample rate matches your session, typically 44, 1 or 48 kHz. Next, connect your mic to a USB port or an audio interface and select that device in Logic's audio preferences. Once done, enable input monitoring on the track and set buffer size to 128,256 samples. Now you dial in levels and choose recording mode to capture clean takes. Begin by adjusting input gain at the interface so peaks sit near -6 decibels. That gives headroom and prevents clipping above 0. Make sure input monitoring is set per your workflow and engage low latency mode for live tracking to reduce delay. Then, insert a light compressor or noise gate on the track to control dynamics and remove background noise. For spot corrections, use punch-in recording to re-record problem sections. You're ready to record, edit, and export a finished vocal. Arm the track and use count-in plus metronome for consistent timing, or enable cycle mode to capture multiple takes. Once recorded, create a take folder and comp the best phrases with quick swipe. Trim fades and apply gentle automation to smooth levels. Finally, bounce or export the selected region as WAV, AIF, or MP3. Make sure export sample rate and bit depth match your delivery specs. If you hear clicks or latency, check buffer size and disable plugins during tracking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.